So I've experimented with a lot of different methods in my life to try to find that ideal way to bring about my own growth and positivity. And one of the biggest things that I've done on a consistent basis has been writing. So the specific journaling method we're going to get into today is called future pace journaling. Put simply, you're going to write down a journal entry as if you are your future self who has achieved or who has all the things that you're looking for, or at least in some capacity. So I will provide a full step-by-step exercise on my website, link in the bio if you'd like to check that out. And don't forget to leave a like while you're looking. So the top 2 rules of this type of journaling, the first one, you need to write down how it is you're feeling and how these goals or these dreams that you've achieved, how are they affecting your day-to-day? And then lastly and most importantly, focus on you. I'll get into specifics on that as we begin. So the first step in your journaling process is focusing on relationships. So who are the people that are currently in your life and how are they affecting you? So I'll read off a good example to start you off in the relationship phase of your journaling. I'm grateful to have a loving, supportive family and friend system who are always looking out for my best interest. My immediate circle is comprised of caring people, and being around their successes helps to motivate me. So this is the type of scripting you want to write down. You want to write down who's in your life and how is it affecting you. So the second part of the journaling is going to focus on professional as well as side goals. So for professional goals, is your future self doing the same thing you're doing now or in a different capacity? Write down how you're feeling. If you have some sort of disconnect with how you're feeling now in your professional life, I would recommend checking out my video on how to get a new job or what to look for when you're looking for a new job. A big focus on what you want to write down during this process are the opportunities that are going to open up for you. Each step of your career process, whether it be your professional or your side career, there are going to be steps for growth, and I want you to focus on what opportunities are going to be opening up and have fun with it. Focus on that. How are you going to feel when that opportunity arises? How are you going to say yes? How good are you going to feel when you grab that opportunity and you soar to new heights? So the last part of the journaling I'm going to get in today is going to focus on self-confidence. This portion of the writing, it's going to be very easy to write down. I am motivating, energetic, positive, and headstrong. Now, nothing against positive affirmations, but in this instance, if you're going to be writing down these feelings, you want to feel these feelings as well. How do you feel when you feel positive, when you feel headstrong, when you feel energetic? We want to structure this part so that it really does bring about a good sense of feeling when you're writing it down. So here's the example I'll share with you. I work hard every day to maintain a healthy diet, exercise, sleep, and meditate so I can show up with the most energy and positivity every day. So scripting in this way will allow you to remind yourself while you're doing some sort of activity, whether it be meditation, walking, exercise. Doing this is bringing about the feelings that you want. So that's all for today. If you like what you see, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. We're getting closer and closer to 100, so if you do support what I do, please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Leave a comment below on one of your positive writings that you would put down in your future scripting journaling. And like I said in the beginning, if you would like more of a step-by-step written process, check out the link in the description that will lead you to my website. As always, I hope this helps. We'll see you next time.